In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extrude a solid, not a surface in AutoCAD. If you've ever extruded something and ended up with a paper-thin surface instead of a solid block, the fix usually comes down to three things: making sure your profile is truly closed, joining the geometry correctly, and setting the extrude command to create solids. Let's walk through that clearly so you can get consistent results. Start by confirming your profile is a closed polyline. A closed profile means every endpoint meets another endpoint with no gaps at all, and there are no breaks where lines should connect. Visually trace your boundary and zoom in on corners and intersections. If you can sneak a cursor through a corner, even slightly, it's not closed. Snaps help here endpoint and intersection. Snaps ensure your lines actually touch. If you are using arcs along with lines, that's fine. The key is that the chain returns to its start seamlessly. Next, select the lines and use join to connect them into one continuous polyline. You can select all edges of your shape. Run the join command and confirm they fuse into a single object. If join refuses to combine certain segments, that's a hint here is a gap or a mismatch in endpoints. Go back. Fix any tiny breaks and try join again. A proper join not only eliminates gaps but also reduces the chance of generating surfaces by mistake. Because AutoCAD sees a unified boundary, it can thicken into volume. Now check your extrude settings. Type extrude, select your closed polyline and look at the command line for the mode option. Set the mode to solid. If the mode is set to surface, AutoCAD will give you exactly that, a surface. Switching it to solid tells AutoCAD to build volume. After setting the mode, specify your height or direction, and you should get a true 3D solid instead of a shell. Before you call it done, review the geometry quality. Ensure there are no overlapping or self-fade intersecting segments in your profile. Overlaps, doubled lines, or bow tie shapes can cause the command to fail or produce unexpected results. Clean contours make reliable solids. And here is a final tip. In tricky files, there is a command many users find more reliable than extrude for producing solids. If extrude still gives you trouble after these checks, keep that alternative in mind as part of your toolkit. Follow these steps, your extrusions will come out as solids consistently. Thanks for watching.